Mayor, Council, and Budget Committee members, I'm Chief Andrew Shear of the Springfield Police Department, and I appreciate the opportunity today to present to you the Springfield Police Department's 2025 fiscal year proposed budget. The Police Department provides year-round, 24-hour service to the Springfield community through response to prioritized criminal and non-criminal calls for service, visible police patrols, investigation of crime, enforcement of traffic laws, animal control, and by providing detention services for municipal offenders. The Police Department also focuses on community outreach, providing safety education, and coordinating the dispatch of mobile mental health and crisis services such as Cahoots. This organization is committed to its role as a community guardian by equally protecting and serving every member of our community in an equitable, fair, and just manner. Fiscal year 2025 shows a reduction in cost for materials and services, primarily due to multiple projects in fiscal year 24's Special Revenue Fund receiving one-time funds, including the DOJ COPS accreditation grant and the ARPA-funded upgrading of our dispatch phone system. The budgeted capital outlay for 2025 is also notably less than fiscal year 24 due to SPD's planned vehicle and mobile computer purchases for fiscal year 24 being relatively high and fiscal year 25's anticipated purchases being relatively low. Fiscal year 25 budgeted jail food costs increased by $95,000 or 61% due to the increased cost of contracted goods, as well as an increase to the jail's average daily population. The increased food cost will only be incurred if the average daily population continues to increase as projected. Lane County Behavioral Health is actively developing a mobile crisis services program to support Lane County. As the Lane County program is still in development, the contracted cost to support mobile crisis services to the Springfield community is still being determined. Springfield is working with Lane County and local partners such as Whitebird Cahoots regarding the plan for the services in fiscal year 2025. Fiscal year 24 accomplishments. The Northwest Accreditation Alliance completed their on-site assessment of SPD in February 24 with positive feedback and submitted their report to the board for a vote. The Accreditation Board will review that final report and will vote on SPD's accreditation status in April of 2024. Funding for contracted project management and other project costs were supported by a U.S. Department of Justice COPS grant. We've also had increased training opportunities. We've provided staff training regarding crowd control management and specialized investigative training, as well as attendance at public safety conferences such as the International Association of Chiefs of Police and the Washington State Hostage Negotiators Association. These opportunities support SPD's goal of professional development for our team members and ensure that our processes are aligned with industry-recognized best practices. We've had hiring level improvements. Our focused recruitment and hiring efforts have been successful for both sworn and non-sworn positions. When comparing staffing levels between February 23 and February 24, our sworn staffing levels improved from 81% of authorized strength to 90% of positions filled, and overall staffing has improved from 82% to 88% of positions filled. In the area of technology improvements, we have several technology programs and projects that were fully implemented and completed in fiscal year 24. The recently established Unmanned Aerial System, or drone program, has been extremely successful and a tool that's improved officer safety and enhanced our ability to de-escalate potentially violent situations, resulting in positive outcomes time and time again. And additionally, the implementation of a public safety grade phone system for police dispatch, the updated hosting model for the jail management system, and purchase of new mobile computer terminals for patrol are examples of key technology improvements that further support this department. Initiatives for fiscal year 2025. The department intends to conduct focused operations benefiting the Springfield community to include missions by our crime reduction unit to combat retail theft, as well as distribution of illegal drugs, and involvement of our detectives in regional efforts to combat internet crimes of exploitation against children. The department is exploring funding options for the UAS program to support continued partnership with Eugene PD and as a member of the Metro Drone Team. Springfield PD intends to conduct a pilot program which is going to allow community to submit certain types of crime reports online, creating an alternative service option and the opportunity for efficiencies for the community. The pilot project will utilize MyPD Connect as the online reporting platform. The jail will pursue accreditation through the Oregon State Sheriff's Association to align operations with best practices and reduce risk, and this is going to be a multi-year effort. Adequate staffing in all of our positions is critical to delivering the service and in turn sustaining the trust the Springfield community deserves and expects. We work closely with our HR partners to ensure we may remain competitive in support of our recruiting and hiring efforts and incentives to attract future candidates. SPD continues to focus efforts to enhance this agency as a model policing organization through the establishment of a culture of professionalism and excellence. SPD will continue to emphasize providing high-quality training to staff, supporting employee health and well-being, and emphasizing community engagement to develop and maintain public trust. Leveraging new and existing technologies can improve transparency, trust, and data collection that will lead to innovation and more improvements. With new technologies comes additional expense for initial and ongoing licensing, storage, equipment, and future replacements. The department will need to continue mindful utilization of new and existing technologies and equipment to support our goals and initiatives. Thank you for your continued support of SPD and public safety in the city of Springfield. And I look forward to meeting with you all in person soon to discuss this in more depth, so thank you.